we've come to this market in Berhampur again to buy some stuff. The lunch at Indian marriage. Smile. Smile. Doing some photography. This is their living room. The lunch. So I was just telling this man now what a good view of lighthouse. That was some Indian wedding music being played by the local musicians here. Now I told you about the ritual called haldi. So that ritual involves applying of turmeric paste on bride and the groom, and the reason for that is that haldi, the turmeric, is good for the skin. So before the wedding you do this ritual, you apply haldi so that the skin looks good, because everybody would want to look good on their wedding day. So that's the idea behind this Indian ritual, marriage ritual. So today is the day of the haldi. The groom is out now. He is the groom, Ajit. And they're going to do the ritual here. Can you see the haldi? That's turmeric paste right there. It's like he is being molested. Look at his face. Now we are going to have breakfast at the groom's house. This is idli. Idli, sambar and chutney. Now I'll go outside and sit on a chair here and have the breakfast. Namaste. Let's keep it. I'll see you later.
చూడు వేసిండి పట్టుకొని చూడండి కొంచెం 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 చూడు ఫోటో చూడు.
That's the final product of haldi.
చూడండి చూడండి.
Hey guys, it's day 2 of the wedding. The marriage is taking place today. So we've come to this market in Berhampur again to buy some stuff. We just bought a bunch of coconuts, 25 coconuts in this sack. This market in Berhampur is called Giri Market, where people come to buy stuff, especially for the marriage, and whenever there is some festival, people come to this market because you get all sorts of things which they need in India for festivals. And I'm dressed like this for the wedding. I bought this kurta yesterday from Berhampur. If you watched that vlog, the Crazy Ride vlog, where I told you that I was going shopping in Berhampur, this is the shopping I wanted to do. So this is Kartik again, and you must have seen Munna. Right now the time is 12:30 and the marriage rituals will start in the evening, because in Odisha I learned that the actual marriage rituals start in the evening. So we will do some shopping here in Berhampur. I will show you if I see some interesting things like this. So Giri Market is left behind. This is Hanuman Bazaar again. We came to Hanuman Bazaar yesterday as well, and we had Odisha Lassi. If you want to see that, you can watch it on that link. This is wedding season in India, so everywhere you see wedding dresses, kurtas, saris. Look at this for women. A bunch of hero cycles left here by the heroes of Odisha. So guys, right now they're having a reception. As I said earlier, they will have the actual wedding or marriage ceremony in the evening. So now it is reception and lunch, and we're going for lunch now. Let's have lunch. Look at people having lunch. It's so crowded. So it's a buffet lunch. Let's go. Now you will see the lunch at Indian marriage in Odisha. That's how they serve. That's rice and dal. And this is some curry. Paneer. This is some paneer curry. Paneer means cottage cheese. And let's start eating. People go there on the stage one by one and give them the blessings. Hello Shankar, how are you?
Fine.
खाना खाया?
हाँ खाना खा लिया।
खा लिया इतना जल्दी?
हाँ।
क्या बात है? इसको पकड़ेगा फिर?
ओके कोई बात।
You be the cameraman. सीधा सीधा पकड़। चालू है, रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है ना? हाँ।
उसको रिकॉर्ड कर।
हाँ कर। क्या घूम क्या?
हाँ। Anna, Dada coming. Ana moda kada bada hoche. Avunu. Ade ma adiki.
रुक इधर थोड़ी देर।
हाँ?
इधर यहाँ पे रुक थोड़ी देर।
रुक। और रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है क्या?
हाँ हो रहा है रिकॉर्ड। This papad, थोड़ा नीचे कर। This papad is a speciality of Odisha. You will not find this kind of papad anywhere else in India. It has what do you call this? What do you call til in English? I forgot. This til. Sesame seed. It has sesame seed on the papad. And it's very spicy as well. See, whenever I bite, I have to. It's that spicy. So this papad, if you come to Berhampur, Odisha, you must have this papad and achar. That's what Berhampur is famous for. He is also a bad cameraman. He's not pointing the camera at my food. भाई थोड़ा नीचे इधर थाली पे करना point.
Cameraman.
थोड़ा नीचे करना. अरे ऐसा ऊपर से नीचे कर. I'm about half done with my lunch. या अभी चाहिए तो उन्हें क्या? Guys, in other parts of India, as far as I've seen, the wedding takes place usually in the morning and then in the evening they keep the reception or on a different day. But logically it makes sense that reception should come first and then the ceremony. And that's how it is here. Let's wash the hands here. So this is the lighthouse, the famous lighthouse of Gopalpur. This is where the reception is taking place. And here we have this makeshift hand washing basins.
Take this video.
नमस्ते कार्तिक का दोस्त तुम्हें बैंगलोर से
Basically from Gujarat. Gujarat.
He is Kartik's Jijaji, right? Kartik's sister's husband. That's called Jija.
Okay.
You're taking the video now?
And that's his son. What's his name?
Riyansh.
Riyansh.
Yeah.
Riyansh wants camera. Do you want to be a vlogger?
Yeah.
Riyansh, hold it. Let's see how good of a vlogger you are. Vlog. Smile. So that was the reception and the lunch. And now we will look at the actual marriage ceremony. Now here we will see fewer guests than reception, because in the reception there are more people who attend that, and the actual marriage ceremony is attended by only the close relatives. So we have only so many people right now, and few more will be coming, but not as many as we saw at the reception earlier.
वीडियो कैमरा क्या है अच्छा वेरी गुड बोल दो आप ले लियो
So we will wait outside for some time. I'll go down again because looks like they're going to take time. The bride and the groom will arrive and a few more guests will arrive, and then it will begin. The groom is ready now and he'll be going up. So let's go. And now look at the terrace, it's lit up. we are not going to be looking at the entire ritual or ceremony because this will go on for 4 hours. But I'll just give you the glimpse of how it works. I won't even try to explain what they are doing because I have no idea. Let's go and check out what they are doing behind the curtain. Like the bride and the groom both are doing some different rituals. At some point the curtain will be lifted and then they will be married.